In the first 30 seconds upon meeting you, somebody just formed an opinion based solely on the nonverbal communicating that you're doing, what you're wearing, how you're standing, and your hair. And that's what I want to talk about today, because how you style and the cut that you choose can make a difference in terms of the way that you are perceived by other people. Let's play a little game. If I say broccoli hair, what do you think of? Probably somebody that's a little bit more youthful or young, because that's what that style is associated with. You're probably not going to hire an accountant if he's rocking the broccoli cut. All right, I'm just saying. Let's try another one. The modern mullet, one of my favorite styles of 2026. Tapered on the sides, a little longer in back, something going on up top. What do you think of? When I think of that, I think mustache, tattoos, somebody that's cool and a little bit edgy. But the 5 styles we're talking about today, they signify high status and high class. Out of all the hairstyles in the world, these 5 communicate discipline, authority, and success. Real quick, guys, before I get into these amazing 5 styles, I want to give you an even more amazing deal on what I call the best of bundle. The top 4 products that we sell at Pete and Pedro, I want to give to you for $35. It's over 50% off. You're going to get a clean and condition combo, you're going to get a full-size sea salt spray, and then you're going to get our award-winning putty. It's a high-hold, low-shine product. All 4 of these products are incredible, and right now, for a limited time, if you want to grab this incredible bundle for over 50% off, hit the link down below. You gotta go and use that special link to get it for literally $35. It's a huge value. The reason I'm doing it is because I want you to try Pete and Pedro, I want you to love it, and I want you to come back and buy more. So the first high status hairstyle is the structured side part. There is no style out there that, in my opinion, signifies high status, high class like the side part. All right, typically it's gonna have a taper or fade on the side, a hard part, not a shaved part. They're not doing that. Parting of the hair swept over top. This is the style that dignitaries are rocking. This is the style that CEOs, people of power, they rock this style. It's also a timeless style that has worked literally since the beginning of time. It's clean, it's intentional, it's defined, and it is refined. And this is the thing that, in my opinion, makes the side part the #1 highest status hairstyle out there. Number 2 is the slick back. There is no style that signifies power and dominance like the slick back, right? When you think about hedge fund leaders, CEOs, people on Wall Street, right? Bankers, people with like big bucks, what are they rocking? They are rocking the slick back. It's a power move. Literally, the slick back hairstyle, in my opinion, is a power move. But the beautiful thing, it's not just for guys that are on Wall Street or super loaded. It looks great on younger dudes as well. Now, the one thing I just want to mention is that you got to make sure you keep it trimmed, all right? You don't want to just have like some wild, crazy, like flowing down your back, slick back. That makes you look sort of like creepy and like a weird, like greasy bus driver, right? You don't want to look like that. It's got to be trimmed, it's got to be edged, it's got to be slightly tapered around your ears, and it also shouldn't be like too like gelled and crunchy. It's got to have a little movement. In my opinion, a matte slick back style looks a lot better than something that is a little bit wet and greasy. Use something like a putty, which is a high hold, low shine product. All right, first apply your sea salt and then a little bit of this, right? Emulsify it, slick it back while your hair is still a little bit damp, let it dry. It's basically gonna lock it into place. If you wanna come in a little bit later throughout the day and kind of break it up a little, you can do that, or just set it and forget it and never touch it. Number 3 is the controlled medium length flow. All right, now this one, so sexy. You're seeing it a lot nowadays, but the whole idea and premise behind the style is that it's a little bit longer in the back, right? You're letting your hair grow out, but it's controlled. It's not just wild and crazy, it's intentional. This is another style that I feel is gaining huge popularity. Now, a lot of times this can be combined with a modified side part. Typically, it's not going to be like slicked over because the hair on the side is going to be a little bit too long. You'd have to tuck it behind your ear, but it's going to be casually pushed back off of your face. It's going to have a little bit of volume. It's not going to be wet or crunchy, and it's just going to look like healthy, sexy, powerful, high status hair. Number 4 is the buzz cut. Now, the one thing I will mention about this is that the buzz cut magnifies whatever you got going on, all right? It is best and looks powerful and high status when you are in shape, all right? You're not chubby, you're not sloppy, you're dressed really well. When you do this and you buzz your head, it looks intentional, it looks confident, and it looks powerful because it says, hey, I don't even need hair. I'm shaving it off, I'm that good. And number 5, the short textured crop. Not to be confused with the French crop, right? The French crop typically is going to be really super tight on the sides and then a little bit of fringe up top. No, the short textured crop that I'm talking about is going to be a little bit longer on the sides and the back and the top. It's going to have a lot of movement, a lot of texture. It's going to typically be styled with texture powder, which is an incredible product, the way that you use it. Just sprinkle a little bit in your hair. You don't need much, and then just simply work it in. You can use it as a standalone product, or you can use it with other products. Just use it in dry hair. This stuff is amazing for weightless texture. If you guys haven't checked this out, I'm gonna link to it down below. There's also gonna be a discount code if you wanna grab the texture powder from Pete and Pedro. It is a great product. You are absolutely gonna love it. But anyway, the short texture crop is one of my favorite styles because it's effortless. Actually, it's not effortless. There's a little effort, but it looks like you're low maintenance, but it still has a style. It's got a lot of playful movement, and that's one of the things, right? If you're gonna go with this style, you gotta make sure you're getting a good cut. It's gonna possibly involve some razoring or some thinning shears or just some dimension cut into your hair, right? It's not typically done by a barber. A barber is going to basically comb your hair over, cut it, up, cut it, and then fade the sides, right? This is gonna take a little bit more finesse, a little bit more precision cutting experience and technical skills, which is why a stylist is probably gonna be better suited to give you this cut. Gentlemen, that's it. 5 styles that I feel make you look high status.